Hello guys, hope you are good of health and doing well. From today onward we are going to start a new session which is learning German with Ustadji online, and if you are interested in learning a new language which is kind of a new skill, then you can join us. You can join in our sessions of German language. In today's video we will start from learning the names of different days in a week. And the topic name is weekdays in German. If we call it in a German language, then we will say that the Wochentage. So in today's video we will talk about the names of weekdays. So in German, Monday is called as Montag. Tuesday is called as Dienstag. Wednesday is called as Mittwoch. Then there is Thursday. Thursday is called as Donnerstag. Thursday means Donnerstag. Friday is Freitag. Saturday is Samstag. Here I will clarify that in Deutsch S is called as Z and Z is pronounced as S. So we will pronounce it as Samstag, not Samstag. Okay. Moving forward, the last day in a week is Sunday. So we will call it Sonntag. Sonntag. Again, we are pronouncing S as Z, Sonntag. So these were the days in a week and how we will pronounce it in Deutsch. We also created a group which is called as Learn German with Ustadji Online. If you are interested in learning a new language, that is Deutsch, you can join our group. The link to join that group is available in the description of this video. You can join us by clicking on the link provided in the description. If you have not subscribed to our channel Ustadji Online, you can subscribe us on YouTube and also follow our channel, that is Ustadji Online, on WhatsApp. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter to get more updates about our videos and the information shared on our channel. If you have any query, any question, our comment section is open for you. You can put your questions over there and we will get back to you with some new videos and new updates. Stay in touch with us. Okay, bye.